we're going to see more of these types of things, especially with landslides. When it rains this much,
Yeah.
we do tend to see those.
Yeah, common issue as we head into these next months here throughout winter time as well. With all the heavy rain, we're in rainy season and the stormy season too. I wanted to start here out to the coast and look towards Lincoln City. You can tell how much further up these waves are crashing on shore here. We are working into our high tide point here in the month. King tides happen, I believe, Friday through Sunday. So not only are these strong storms coming in this weekend going to push a lot of those waves on shore, we do have a chance for some flooding out there. Coastal flood advisory through the afternoon today from Astoria down to about Lincoln City, also north into the coast of Washington there for those tidal overflows. We could see maybe about a foot of that ocean water above ground level. So minor flooding possible all the way out to Highway 101. This will be an area to watch here and to be mindful of those waves as we head into the next several days. We're also tracking gusty winds and a lot of rain. This weather system has been rolling in since last night, bringing us some soggy conditions. And right now we are seeing some heavy rain around the Portland metro area and also out to the coast. Take a look closer into Portland here on our radar. Some heavy showers now working through Beaverton. So areas on the west sides of Portland, Hillsborough even, and across 26 are under some heavy showers. Likely to see these showers shifting towards the northwest too. And again, towards the north here. So some heavy showers up Highway 30 out to Vancouver soon. You folks out there likely in some heavy showers as we head into the next 15, maybe 20 minutes. Also down in Lake Oswego, we are seeing some heavy rain there too. Wind speeds also a bit breezy, mainly on the outskirts. Again, further south, we are seeing wind speeds around Aurora there at 20 miles per hour and sustained winds out to Hillsborough at 18. Take a look out to McMinnville. And also portions of the gorge here, seeing those gusty winds setting up, and again, breezy, sustained winds too. We have seen winds around 40 miles per hour around the Portland metro area. PDX tracked a 30-mile-per-hour gust. That was the strongest so far today. So it has been very windy and rainy. Just look at our weather cameras coming in from the south here. You can see all that rain pushing in, and even that weather camera shaking as it records that weather. So upper 50s right now. Will start to cool as we head into the rest of the evening, and these showers also taper off in Portland by the early parts of the evening. So a lot of this action comes to a close heading into tonight, but still a chance to get some of these heavy pockets of rainfall here. Again, this evening we taper off the rain, more of those showers setting up. As we head into Friday, back under some soggy conditions. So tomorrow morning, right around 5 to 7 o'clock, heavy showers back in Portland. So you'll likely be driving under some wet conditions throughout the rest of the morning. We'll still see some showers, but then we dry out through Friday afternoon. So some good dry time on the way for the afternoon tomorrow. However, late in the evening, our next weather system arrives that will linger into Saturday. So we'll still keep scattered showers at times through the weekend, and that rain continues into Sunday as well. Even the chance for thunderstorms going into our Sunday, and real cold temperatures. Take a look at our snow levels forecast heading into the weekend here. By Saturday, we could see our snow levels down to about 3,000 feet. That may be some of the coldest snow levels we've seen so far this fall. And again, we'll see a lot of that snow stacking up in the Cascades, likely our first significant snowfall of the season here, where the summit could track more than a foot, and we could even get some of that snow down to about 3,000 feet. So I do expect to see some of that snow accumulating over the passes, especially by the end of the weekend. So if you're traveling across the Cascades, keep that in mind. Real cold with some snow on the way for the mountains by the end of the weekend. There's your look out to Seaside. It is a stormy day out there. We've even seen some wind gusts out there up to about 70 miles per hour. Our high wind warning has ended out to the coast, but we'll still see some windy moments. Likely those wind gusts are starting to taper off heading into our evening, but still some windy moments out there. In Central Oregon, that high wind warning still continues until about 3 p.m. Here's your 7-day forecast in Portland, though. We are still expecting rain showers tomorrow, likely a rainy start to Friday, so keep that in mind. And over the weekend, we're still tracking that rain, even into next week, still looking at rain too. Sunday, we fall back an hour. And Jenny, I'm so excited to get that extra hour of sleep, extra hour of daylight in the morning, but it will get darker earlier.
I know. I actually